question is,
And
have you received
here,
this
you can
response before or after the FIR was filed against you? Because the FIR against you is under 171C, undue influence at elections, 186, obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions, and 5051C, which includes statements conducing to public mischief with intent to incite. I want to ask you, this complaint of yours, is it before the FIR was filed or after? And the response that you have got, because those dates become extremely important.
On May 13th, if they say that I have done a mischief, what is a mischief I have done? I didn't touch anybody. I have not touched anybody. In fact, the burqa-clad female whom I have requested to please kindly match the ID was before, it was after I requested the female police deployed there requesting that, kindly help me, why are you not checking these ladies? Then she said, I have no instructions. Then I requested the presiding officer lady there. She said, we will not do it because it's very tiring, how can we do it? And the complaint has been lodged on me by the BLO on me saying that I have troubled Rafat Tunisa. And who is Rafat Tunisa? It's a bogus vote. Rafat Tunisa address doesn't exist. Such house doesn't exist. And I have complained 30 days back to Election Commission that Rafat Tunisa's address doesn't exist, and Rafat Tunisa name is being there with voter ID. Please check these. Specifically, I have submitted to Election Commission a pen drive in which Rafat Tunisa name is there. That it is a bogus vote.
So are you saying the Election Commission,
Look at it.
Election Commission
And I caught this,
did not check what you complained?
Yes, and in fact, Election Commission sent an answer to me that yes, 20,032 electorals are not having standard house numbers, which will be corrected on ERO net by collecting Form 8 application soon after the completion of general elections. That means they let free these bogus votes into the market. And look at the divine intervention. I have caught the same person, Rafat Tunisa, which is a bogus vote, asking for the ID. And